Hello there, my name is Ella. I'm a toucan. I'm ready for an adventure, but I'm a bit sad because I'm alone. I need a friend. Will you help me, please? Super, you will help me. Look, I want to travel the world. I want to make friends everywhere and get to see the oceans. I want to see the farms, the cities, the forests, and the animals, and even go to the Arctic to see the polar animals. I want to learn about the weather and the seasons, and I want to travel to space. So let's go and see the whole wild world, and I wouldn't do that without you. Let's go, come along with me. Let's start our adventure now.